I left on Tuesday, he was having problems.
You sure the dog hasn't got COVID?
Dog ain't got COVID, Chris. He's got,
You're gonna force... I can't go back. I've got, well...
You can't go back.
Yeah, but I have a car behind me.
Yeah, you need to go back.
We ain't got a car.
We've got a car behind us.
We have a car behind.
Yeah, we're going to have to go forward, Chris.
Let's go. If you move up there, I'll go down
Go
there.
back over there, if you can get over a bit further.
Go back. Oh, I'm actually going to get out of the car and I'm going to smack him in a minute.
Hang on, Chris. I'll back you up.
Well, we've got cars together.
Right. Back it off to the right.
Yeah, there's cars together.
Fucking cunt!
Right, there's cars behind him as well. I can't go back any further.
What's he doing now?
I don't know.
Oh my days! I'm...
Oh, he's going back. Get back in. He's going back now. He's... Fucking road rage, isn't it?
Fucking will be in a minute.
If you go back, I can just see...
We could skip through here. Yeah, you're clear.
Wanker!
Fucking nonce.
Wanker! Anything else doesn't wait there. Fucking wanker.
2 more back that way.
I can't go anywhere. I can't go anywhere. I can't go anywhere. Back up. Back up. I can't go anywhere. I've got a car behind me. I've got a mini bus behind me. I can't go anywhere. Can't you see I've got a mini bus behind me? Fuck off! Take me my way of the way. And where else am I supposed to go? Wasn't no right away, it was your right away. Take me, I should have right away. Where else am I supposed to go? Bring up Joe now.
You could win a life-changing amount of tax-free cash just after 3 p.m.
A few moments later.
Positively beside myself. The reason that I can badly contain my enthusiasm is the IKEA winter sale. 4 weeks of incredible bargain.
and bought a pair of walkie-talkies.
Romeo, Romeo, where art thou, Romeo? Just heading to the balcony, my love.
No one's home. The place is all yours. You put on a banging tune that gets your heart pumping, your blood racing, and makes you want to bust some serious moves. Oh yeah, here it comes.
Know about that, but then some, on the other hand, I can kind of say like, in kind of what Dave's saying about representation. The way that they do it, I think it's kind of like, why not have people in that story, and like it kind of shows more representation, more inclusivity, I suppose. But yeah, it's a difficult one for sure.
What was that?
Yes.
Now how about yourself?
Well, Dave, it's funny, I'm with you. I think I saw it a couple of years later, probably around about mid-90s. And there was a Britannia video, I've said before, about the alleged Mr. Smith who lived next door to us in the house, Dave.
Cinemas now, Certificate 12A. Make your 2023 memorable with Emirates. Fly better to stunning Indian Ocean islands like Mauritius and Maldives, or explore Thailand, Bali, and other incredible sun-soaked destinations. Start your journey on board with delicious regional cuisine. Be spoiled for choice with thousands of entertainment channels.
A few moments later.
Healthcare could help keep your whole business healthy for just £11.90 per employee per month. At Benenden Health, that's exactly what we do. From on-call to Zoom calls, production lines to online fashion lines, from surgeries to HGVs and those teaching ABCs. Affordable private healthcare for you and your employees. Search Benenden for business. Benenden Health. Healthcare done different. Limits and exclusions apply.
I'll definitely have to try that one out. But yeah, so I guess the next bit, I mean, they've moved away from the stop motion animation, haven't they? And Hera sort of tells them, gives them a bit more direction. No right turning for. Okay, we'll say back. Straight to the red line.
Motor ends to fire it into the back of the net. It's a shoot that lifts the pressure off
Flynn with 20 minutes to go, Ray Parlour.
Yeah, brilliant goal from Danny Ings. He started the move as well, but a 30-yard pass from left to right to